If Apple had waited for the day where they could get this much power in this kind of form factor with an integrated battery, this tech might well have been sitting on a shelf for another 10 years. But the fact that they are putting out now means not necessarily that now is the time to buy one, but that in 10 years' time, this tech is going to be in a much better place than if they waited for the first iteration to be perfect. In a way, this one product has the best parts of every one of Apple's other products baked into it. We've been capturing photos and videos for over the last 50 years in 2 dimensions. So if this headset, or the idea of this headset, catches on and becomes mainstream, that changes the entire paradigm of what it means to capture a memory. They introduced LiDAR scanners into the iPhone 12 Pro for depth perception in the cameras, which, as well as benefiting the iPhone, has silently been training developers on how to best take advantage of LiDAR so that this headset doesn't feel like a sudden new developmental challenge to them. No other company has had an opportunity like this to slowly, gradually build up all the separate ingredients of what makes a headset like this. And so if 10 years down the line, let's say the iPhone keeps plateauing and this takes leaps and bounds and gets slimmer and lighter and way more powerful, I don't think it's unreasonable for the iPhone to start to drift away into being a legacy product.